And there's some breaking news coming in at this point in time. The situation in China is not unusual looking at the ongoing flu season. Now, that was a statement by Union Health Ministry after an important meeting that happened. Now, this follows the reports that suggest the cause of the present surge is influenza virus human HMPV, and now India is also keeping a close eye on the evolving situation in China. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Akanksha joining us on the broadcast. Akanksha, so I believe there was an important meeting chaired by the Union Health Ministry. What more details can you share with us?
Well, absolutely. You see, in view of reports about rising cases of respiratory illnesses in China in the last few weeks, today a crucial meeting took place in Union Health Ministry, and representatives from WHO, NCDC, ICMR and AIIMS Delhi, they in fact participated in this crucial meeting. Now, as far as the outcome of the meeting is concerned, an official statement has come from the Health Ministry. They have mentioned that the situation in China is not unusual, and the virus is already in circulation globally, including in India, and these pathogens are expected during the winter season. As far as India is concerned, Health Ministry has stated that there is no surge in respiratory illnesses in the country. India is well prepared to handle any situation if it turns bad. But as far as the surveillance is concerned, it currently shows no unusual surge. Now, as precautionary measure, the number of labs testing for HMPV virus will be enhanced by the ICMR, and ICMR in fact has mentioned that they are monitoring trends of HMPV for the entire year. But till now, what the Health Ministry has stated that there is absolutely no need to worry. There's no surge in respiratory illness in the country, and India is well prepared to handle any such situation.
All right. Thank you very much, Akanksha, for the moment for joining us and getting us all those details. With this, we will slip into a very, very short break. More news and updates on the other side. Stay with us.